Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make curry tuna. First, ensure you have 2 cans of tuna, well drained, ready to go. Next, measure out 1 tablespoon of your favorite curry powder and half a cup of creamy mayonnaise. Don't forget to finely dice 1/4 cup of celery and chop 2 tablespoons of red onion. These fresh ingredients are key to a delicious and easy curry tuna salad. Now that your ingredients are prepped, let's combine them. Take your drained tuna and flake it thoroughly in a medium-sized bowl using a fork. Then, add the half cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1/4 cup of diced celery, and 2 tablespoons of chopped red onion to the bowl. Gently mix everything together until all the ingredients are evenly distributed and coated. The next step is to season your curry tuna to perfection. Add salt and freshly ground black pepper according to your preference. Once seasoned, cover the bowl and chill the mixture in the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve your delicious curry tuna on crackers, toasted bread, or fresh lettuce wraps for a satisfying and easy meal. Want to customize your curry tuna? Try adding 1/4 cup of chopped grapes or apples for a delightful hint of sweetness and crunch. For a lighter version, you can easily substitute Greek yogurt for the mayonnaise. It offers a tangy twist while keeping it creamy. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This easy curry tuna recipe is versatile and always a crowd pleaser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.